Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am Glamour Girl 98, where we discuss all things Sisterlocks, fashion, and a bit of lifestyle and health. If that's some of the content that you'd like to hear about, feel free to subscribe, like my video, and hit that notification bell not once but twice so you get notified every time I upload a video. And drop down in those comments and say hello. I know your mother's taught you better. So just drop down, let me know you stopped by. Let's get off into this outfit of the day and topic of the day. Okay, you guys, this went from an outfit of the day to a styling video. This dress is from Fashion Nova. I got it about 2-3 years ago, PC. And I have on some over-the-knee boots that I have. I believe I got those in Kentucky when I went to go visit my son down there about maybe 7 years ago. And you see me, I'm just styling it the way I would during this time of the year because it is cold outside. That plaid coat is from Target. That's about 7 years old. The beret is courtesy of my grandmother. Rest her soul, she did pass this summer. She was 96 years old, but she gave me that several years ago. And that purse, I did haul that. I will be uploading a video of that soon. And this is just how I would wear this during this time of the year. It's cold, it's snowy, you know, just nice and cozy. I would probably throw on a little scarf as well. You know what? Let's normalize shopping our closets in 2022. Way too often, we're like spending a lot of money on this fast fashion, you know, and if you have something in your closet, why not use it? You know, that's the key to having a closet. You know, you buy pieces that you know are staples and you will wear again. Look at me. I'm snapping the tags off that blazer and that hat. The blazer is like 2 years old, never wore it, and the hat is just a few months old. And I am switching out those thigh-high boots for some ankle boots. Now, I'd probably wear this like if I was just hanging out with the hubby, maybe like for lunch or something. And then, you know, I was trying my hat out. I'm not a hat to the back girl. I like mine's leaning forward. So, yeah. But yeah, let's try shopping my closets. I think I'm going to be uploading a series of videos on shopping my closet, basic staple items that I have. And if you have something similar to that, then go ahead. Feel free to style it your way. And here I am again, and that blazer is actually from New York & Company. That's about 5 years old as well. I love their blazers. I hate that they closed their stores. They're no longer, they have like online shopping, you know. I typically wear a size 4 there, or a small or extra small. And I am grabbing a purse to go along with that. That purse is a Kate Spade. It's called the Natalia. It's part of the Natalia collection. I did purchase that earlier this summer. Almost reminds you of like a Chanel dupe. I'm not ready to buy a Chanel yet, drop $5,000-$6,000. So now I've switched out to this jersey type blazer I got from Kohl's several years ago. I switched out my boots to the slip-ons by, I think I got those from Walmart. They were snake print. And my little Coach sling bag my mom got me for Christmas. And I'd probably wear this out for brunch or something. Yeah. So thanks for watching the rest of the video. Stay tuned. We'll talk about locks. Okay, so today let's talk about all this jargon with the tiny lock or microlock community. We have Interlocks, Sisterlocks, Microlocs, and there's a new category called Belle Microlocs. So what is the difference? I know when doing my research, when I was getting ready to do my Sisterlocks, I saw the Interlocks and the Microlocs, but I was just like looking on YouTube recently, and I saw a new category, or rather it's new to me, called Belle Microlocs. So essentially, Sisterlocks, Microlocs, and Belle Microlocs, they're all forms of interlocks. And what are interlocks? Interlocks are when they grab the hair and they use a tool such as a knitting needle or a crochet hook, and they intertwine the hair upon itself so that it can form a lock. These parts are generally medium to larger size, some smaller size. So, and then you have the category where all the other locks fall underneath it, right? So then you have Sisterlocks. Sisterlocks are a patented grid and the method of installing locks with your own hair. It was developed in around 1989 by Dr. Joanne Cromwell. She is a professor at San Diego State University in African American Studies. And basically, with the Sisterlocks, you have a certain grid that's patented, and you have a sister loctician or consultant or trainee to install your Sisterlocks with your own hair with a special little tool. Okay, generally the rule of thumb, or on the website, they say that you have about 400 locks on your head, but that varies. I think I discussed that with my last video of how many locks do I have. So it varies on the density and circumference and texture of your hair, right? So with Sisterlocks, there is a fee up front that's pretty pricey, but it's investment. But you know what? Let's scrap that. Anytime we do something for ourselves is an investment. So let's not look at Sisterlocks as this elite hairstyling. So that being said, my loctician, up to 4 inches of hair, she charged a certain price, and then once you got past the 4 inches of hair, I believe it was like an additional $75 to $100. I had per inch, I had approximately 10 to 12 inches of hair to start out. So yeah, do the math. So with Sisterlocks, you go back every like 4 to 6 weeks to have your hair retightened or retied, right? And it grows out over time. They're tiny and they're thin. So then you have Microlocs. Microlocs can be started by yourself, or you have someone else to start them. They're less expensive to start and to maintain, from what I understand. You can start them with like a 3 braid or a twist, and you typically secure them with some pomade or some gel, and over time that's what kind of like helps the hair to lock. Some people opt to interlock the hair once it begins to lock, so that's how it falls into the interlocking category, from what I understand. And then you have the Belle Microlocs, which is something, I guess, which is newer. A lady in Maryland, I think it's like the DMV, but she's from Maryland, started this method of locking hair, and her name is Braids That Speak, if you look her up on YouTube or you look her up on the internet. And basically what they do, or what she does, is that she takes 100% Afro kinky textured hair and she weaves it into your hair through a traditional braid to start it out, and she braids it into your hair down into a twist, and over time it becomes a lock. So you instantly have like locks. Instead of going through the whole process, this grows out with your hair. They have them anywhere from like 6 to 8 inches, then I think like 12 inches, and then I think like maybe 18 inches. You have to go to the website and look. But essentially it's also a form of interlocking. Her website says that as well. So all that being said, do what makes you happy. I know it's the beginning of the new year. People are looking to go into getting new hairstyles and things of that nature. So this is just my little tidbit, just a little quick crash course into like what the locks are about in the locking community. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.